everyone, and welcome back to another Therapy Tip Tuesday. My name is Miss Jennifer, and you can find me at the Jericho and East Yaphank offices. Today I'm going to talk to you about all the different ways that you can use dot markers to target speech and language goals. Dot markers are generally a pretty good motivator for kids, and there's a lot of different activities you can find online. I have a couple examples here to show you. You can use dot markers to do things like expanding vocabulary, like in this one. You can do identifying different items, you can do categorizing, and they have to dot each item that belongs to the category, or they have to name the item in the picture, and then they get to dot that item. You could also use it for articulation. Either you can have a sheet that has pictures with all the different words on it, and they would have to say the sound, and then they would get to use the markers to dot each bubble. You could also have it be a little bit more general and just work on just getting those trials of each sound that they're working on. So after each repetition of that sound, whether it be in a word or in isolation, they would just get to dot something. In this case, it's ice cream cones. And just kind of keeps it a little bit more fun and interesting. You're not just drilling them, you're giving them something to do after each repetition. So grab a pack and have some fun. See you next time.